Hey, what's up everybody, CASTNBLAST here. I'm gonna do a budget video. All my reels and rods are not expensive. All of them are actually my budget. Like this one right here. This one right here, it's beautiful. I got it at Walmart. Sorry. It is a 7-footer, but this is how it looks. The eyes, a lot of play action, and I love these rods, the cork rods. I love them. It's very light. You can actually balance it. Okay, a little more. Right there is balanced. It's called Amp Saltwater. You can get them at Walmart for these for $17 for these rods right here. And then my reels, like this one. This is my cork, my popping cork setup. This one's it's a Shimano. I love this reel. It's inexpensive, $45. This rod alone right here is a Castaway rod. I bought it used for 20 bucks. Mostly everything you can find used online. If someone's gonna buy it, they're gonna sell it. So I love this rod. I love this reels. All my reels are usually Shimano Shaharas. I really like them. They're inexpensive, perfect. What I like about them is, let's say you get water on them, you get them wet. Well, you don't take a big loss because you didn't buy a real expensive reel. But if you just wipe them down, clean them, and they're still good. These I have for almost 3 years already. Mostly all my reels, my rods. But that's what I like to do. I don't like to buy really expensive rods and reels. If I go everyday fishing, man, I would love to do that. I would love to invest into more reels and more rods and better quality. But I like mine. It does the job. I have a lot of fun when I go. But like down here, I bought these used too. These are my Stingray boots, Everlast Stingray boots. They sell them new for almost like $120. I bought them used for 30 bucks, and they're my size and everything. Stingray boots. This one is my go-to rod. It's a Fluger reel. This is with Shadow Stalker Oklahoma. Inshore series. I freaking love this reel. Everyone had them for $120 everywhere, and I found them for 40 bucks, 45 each. I bought 2, but I'm in love with it. Here's balanced out with the reel and rod. It's balanced out already. Alright everyone, well thank you for watching, and I hope this helps out anybody. If you have any questions, just comment below please. And this is my setup. Later guys.